Searching for the best shoes with wheels for girls feels like picking from a rainbow of the same thing. Same flashy lights, same detachable wheels, same perfect gift tag. But here's the thing, not all of them actually roll well or last long or even fit right. So today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you the real winners. Product number 1, NSAC LED Roller Sneakers. First up, the NSAC Kids Roller Shoes. These caught my eye because of the bold LED lights and the promise of transforming from sneakers to skates with a heel button. Priced at $57.91, they sit in the mid to high range, and over 200 were bought last month, so clearly parents are interested. If you want flashy, fun shoes that double as a conversation starter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-wheel system feels stable, like mini inline skates, and the front wheel is removable, so your kid can choose between 1 or 2 wheels depending on confidence level. The USB rechargeable LEDs last 6-8 hours after a 2-4 hour charge, which means they'll light up the whole evening for parties or backyard play. Plus, the size chart is detailed down to the inch, so you can actually match it to your child's foot length, a huge plus when most brands just say size 3 and hope for the best. Now, some people complained about the wheels feeling wobbly on uneven pavement. Here's the thing though, these are designed for smooth surfaces like driveways or indoor floors, not rough sidewalks. If your kid sticks to flat ground, they're perfectly stable. Also, the cloth material isn't the most durable if dragged through mud or rain often. This is perfect for you if you want eye-catching, multifunctional shoes for special occasions or weekend fun. Skip this one if you need something for daily rough use or all-terrain rolling. For the price, you're getting solid value, just don't expect pro-grade skating performance. Product number 2, Footwear rechargeable wheels. Now, if the NSAC shoes felt a bit too flashy or expensive, the Footwear roller skate shoes at $41.17 might be your sweet spot. Over 100 sold last month, and the brand leans hard into beginner-friendly design. If you want affordable, no-fuss roller shoes that are easy for new skaters to handle, this one's a contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The two-wheel setup mimics inline skating, but the engineering focuses on balance, great for kids who have never rolled before. Like the others, you can pop out the front wheel or hide the back one with a heel button, turning them into regular sneakers. That means school, then park, then home, all in one pair. They're also marketed heavily for holidays and birthdays, so if you're shopping for a gift, the packaging and presentation feel thoughtful. Now, some buyers mention the wheels aren't as smooth on concrete as advertised. Here's the thing though, for indoor use or smooth driveways, they roll just fine. The bigger issue is the lack of LED rechargeability. These don't mention USB charging, so if lights are a must, you might be disappointed. Also, the sizing runs a bit small, double-check that size chart. This is perfect for you if you want budget-friendly, gift-ready roller shoes for casual use. Skip this one if you need long battery life on lights or high-speed rolling. At under $45, it's a low-risk try for younger kids just testing the waters. Product number 3, HSQ 2-in-1 skating sneakers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility, the HSQ Fashion Sneaker Roller Skate shoes at $48.90. With 100+ sales last month and a 3-in-1 design, this one stands out. If you want maximum functionality, roller mode, single wheel mode, and flat sneaker mode, this is the most flexible pick so far. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with 2 removable wheels, cover plates, and even a tool for adjustments, something most brands don't include. The rubber wheels and TPE sole give better grip and shock absorption, which means less slipping and more comfort during longer play. The padded collar and soft inner lining are a nice touch. Your kid can wear these all day without complaining about sore feet. Plus, the lace-up closure ensures a snug fit, unlike slip-ons that can slide off mid-roll. Now, some parents said the tool is flimsy and hard to use. Here's the thing though, once the wheels are set, you rarely need to adjust them. And honestly, most kids won't even touch the tool, it's more for initial setup. The bigger downside, no LED lights. So if your child loves glowing shoes, this might feel a bit plain. This is perfect for you if you want durable, adjustable roller shoes with real sneaker comfort. Skip this one if flashy lights are non-negotiable. For under $50, you're getting serious value and long-term use. Product number 4, HELYS Pro 20 Prints. Now, if you're looking for a brand with real reputation, HELYS is the OG of wheeled shoes. The Youth Girls Pro 20 Prints at $58.77 is their classic model, only 50 plus sold last month, but that's because it's been around forever and doesn't need hype. If you want trusted quality and a stylish, low-profile design, this is the premium pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. HELYS uses low-profile removable wheels that sit flush in the heel, no bulky additions. That means better balance and a more natural walking feel when not rolling. The canvas upper is breathable and lightweight, perfect for school days, and the synthetic outsole gives solid traction. It's also available in adult sizes, so if your tween is growing fast, you can size up without switching styles. Now, some kids found the wheels a bit stiff to pop in and out at first. Here's the thing though, that's actually a safety feature. It prevents accidental deployment during play. Once you get the hang of it, it's smooth. Also, no LED lights again, this is built for function, not flash. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, stylish pair from a known brand that won't fall apart in a month. Skip this one if you need lights or ultra-cheap pricing. At $58, it's an investment, but one that could last multiple seasons. Product number 5, SDSPED LED Roller Sneakers. Finally, the SDSPED Kids Roller Skate Shoes at $51.45. This one's interesting, it's a Korean brand, yes, the BTS one, and they're pushing hard on LED fun and accurate sizing. Only 50 plus sold last month, but the attention to detail stands out. If you want bright lights, clear size guidance, and a brand that actually thinks about fit, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The size guide is incredibly detailed, from 6.3 to 9.75 foot length, and they even suggest going one size up if unsure. That's huge because ill-fitting roller shoes are unsafe. The LED lights activate automatically when walking, no charging needed, but the battery only lasts about 3 months. Still, for seasonal fun, that's plenty. The 2-in-1 button system lets you switch between rolling and walking instantly, and the cushioned interior feels premium for the price. Now, some parents were frustrated that the lights can't be recharged. Once they die, they're done. Here's the thing though, for a $50 shoe used mainly for parties or holidays, 3 months of glowing fun is totally reasonable. Also, the wheels are single style, not dual, so they don't feel as stable as inline style skates. This is perfect for you if you want fun, well-sized shoes with automatic LEDs for special events. Skip this one if you need long-term light use or pro-level stability. For the price, it's a joyful, practical choice. So which one's best? If you want flash and function, go NSACY. On a budget, woo it, need versatility, HSQ, want brand trust, HELYS, love lights and fit, SDSPED. No single pair does everything, but one of these will be perfect for your girl. Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like if this helped you dodge the roller shoe trap.